Bitcoin up only. What's going on in the crypto market? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, crypto to the max. We are so happy today in the show. Why is that? Because we told you in the last video, time's almost over. And it is. You can see the last 3 days, Bitcoin just going up like crazy. And we are right now recording this video in $46,700. You can see the last 5 days crazy. We told you about that in previous videos. We told you about the Chinese year and they were lying to you. Now everybody's saying that this is the other way around, but they wouldn't say that a couple of days ago, and we told you. So watch previous videos if you want to know everything about that. We have these crazy animals, and the idea that right now with the wooden dragon we might start another bull run for Bitcoin. Bitcoin above $46,000. We are just 4,000 from the important level of 50k. Once we are in 50k, everybody's going to be crazy buying. All your friends telling you, is this the good moment? Hopefully so. You can see as we record the video, I need to move these lines with TradingView, link in the description below, and the idea that Bitcoin is not stopping in its rise. Right now, 46,000 and almost 700. We'll see where we end today. And let's zoom out a little bit. Matthew Highland here telling us that the important thing is the 2 days we have front of us, Saturday and Sunday. We need a close above 44k. If that's the case, in its opinion, that would be a good case for the bulls in the Bitcoin market. You can see here we broke this line, very important one, and also this guy is referring to this important moment in 44,000. So good, we broke this high. We still need to break the $49,000 one, but most important is to close above this line in the 44. We'll tell you on our show on Monday. Remember to smash the like button. You help us a lot, and share this information with your friends. Here, the same guy, Matthew Highland, telling us that if we break above that 49 line and a little bit more, when it's going to be historic, then all-time highs are in the cards even for this year. Maybe, and that's title for today's video, Bitcoin is not following the path it did in the past with the halving cycles. Maybe we are in a better mood this time. Well, we are those 71 days. Officially, it might be 76, 67, better said. So we'll see about that. And today, we have a look in the theory that we share with you about the halving. And you can see in those 70 days, we have 5 days going down this time, 15 days going down, and a month going down before going crazy up. But this time, we are going crazy up 70 days for the halving. Here, you have another zoom that only found on the right, your friend here, Rodrigo Arnedo, is giving you. And you can see that this time is different. This time, we are going up. And we are not close even to the halving event. And also this very interesting information from Pladisu telling us that in the prior 2 cycles in the monthly chart, a close back above the yearly open of 2 years earlier, that would mean that price never went lower for Bitcoin. What about this time? Well, I took this to TradingView, and you can see here that this is the event of the halvings. And after that, we broke those openings. The same thing happened here. But right now, it seems that we want to break it right now. So you think this is possible? We are running crazy with Bitcoin. Just watch all the narratives in previous videos to have a better understanding about the situation. And today, of course, everybody's so bullish. The Scalping Pro here with this reminder. 1, bottom formation. 2, reaccumulation. 3, market rally, bull market rally. This is the cycles for Bitcoin from its inception. So maybe we are just in the same thing. And why is that? Well, maybe because Bloomberg, Eric Balchunas reports that BlackRock and Fidelity's Bitcoin ETFs are the best performing assets ETFs after 1 month on the market in the 30-year history of ETFs. Also here from Alessandro Onchaviani, the idea that the outflows from Grayscale are going to an end, and also the ETFs are buying and buying Bitcoin all the time. So he believes this is the case for the rise, and he doesn't believe that it's a coincidence the price is moving according to these movements in the ETFs. Consider the net inflow and Bitcoin price, or 45K. The net buying yesterday was 8,955 Bitcoin. That's 20 times higher than the daily impact of the halving. So crazy, crazy stuff out there. And you can see also here that Fidelity, which is the third largest asset manager in the world, is adding 1% spot Bitcoin to their conservative all-in-one ETF. So there's no stop for this. Maybe it's that the reason for Bitcoin going up, or maybe it's because the stock market, Standard & Poor's 500 going up, has officially hit 5,000 for first time in history. Since October 27th low, the S&P 500 is now up 900 points. Here you can see the comparison with stock market and Bitcoin. And you can see here in purple is Standard & Poor's 500. And here in the blue, you have the NASDAQ. And you can see in this weekly chart, it's going up just the same as Bitcoin. So again, we see similarities between Bitcoin behavior and stock market behavior. If that's so true, then we need dollar to go down, and it doesn't seem that it wants to go down. Maybe this is a bull flag, so careful with that. We might be crying tomorrow. Any case, we have other reasons for Bitcoin to go crazy up. Like, for example, here we have the world's largest Bitcoin mine beginning its construction in Texas. Riot's Corsicana facility will harness an impressive 1 gigawatt of electricity. The project will cost an estimated $333,000 million. I don't know how to even read this crazy number. Or maybe Bitcoin is going up because the hash rate is in an all-time high too. Well, you can see here the strength of a Bitcoin network, which is awesome. Or maybe the true reason is this meme. And always, if you control the memes, you control the reality, Elon Musk's worlds. Well, you can see here the debt in United States and how Bitcoin maybe wants to have all that debt. Maybe is the solution for the future. Remember, here on CryptoNews with Rodrigo Arnedo, we are following this path. This is 2016 path, and you can see again, we are following like crazy. So it won't be a surprise to go down in the next days and keep on going up and down and up and down, but in this trend that we follow at that time. Right now, it's beautiful watching TradingView crypto coins heat map in the crazy green, and the bubbles in the green too, the most important ones in the green, and the market's so greedy today. We'll see tomorrow. And the bad news, maybe for Solana, no, the price is going up, even though, as we expected, Chico Crypto created a video saying bad words about Solana. Remember, I don't like Solana either. We were waiting for this video, and we always learn with Chico Crypto. So you have the link in the description below. And the idea here is that Solana has had crashes a long time, a lot of times. And it seems that it has a cycle where when we have one of these things, price will recover fast and then go down. This is Chico Crypto's theory in this video. Again, I leave you the link in the description below in case you want to watch it. And the idea here, easier to watch than in Chico Crypto's video with your friend Rodri. Give me your like, use the links in the description below if you want to help yourself and help me. Thank you very much. Everything is free for you here in Crypto News. Well, you can see That's true. We recover, we go down, we recover, we go down, we recover, flat down, we recover, we go down, and we'll see right now. But to be honest, I dig a little bit deeper. That's my thing right now, it seems. And you can see that if you compare here Sol chart with Bitcoin chart, well, the market chart, the crypto market chart, you can see that at the same time we go down with Solana, we go down with Bitcoin all the times. So mostly is the same chart with Solana and with Bitcoin. So yeah, well, I'm not sure this is a pattern that you can attribute to Solana, but to the whole market. What do you think about that, Chico Crypto? He wouldn't listen to us, of course. Any case, again, really, really interesting thoughts, always coming from Chico Crypto. Also, the idea of the centralization of Solana. And some guys, you can watch it there, telling us that even when the chain was down, well, there was records that it was working at a crazy capacity, like 3,000 TPS. I don't really understand the technical aspect about this, but the idea is that they reached there to the conclusion that it's a lie, that they don't have this, and also that they are considering to their numbers things that other chains will not consider. So that's why they have all these crazy numbers when they compare to all the blockchains, but those are kind of fake. About Monero, remember Binance, they decided to delist the coin and now it's recovering. So good for Monero. Maybe you had the chance and bought it on CoinW, our partners. You have the link in the description below and you can buy Monero there, of course. And I recommend you following their social media and using the link in the description below because they are crazy about the new year in China. They are giving away a lot of things. So again, follow them. I leave you a link in the description below so you know about the days we are going to have those things, very good things like promotions and those red envelopes with some coins. So yeah, you have to be inside the platform in order to have those red envelopes and also on social media. So do not miss those out. Also, I participated, as I'm telling you, and some promos they have on X, Twitter, like for example, this one, this trivia, you just have to say that the dragon, wooden dragon, is Chinese mythology and use your ID as I did here. And we are in a giveaway of $1,000 prize pool. So awesome stuff there. Go to their X account. More good things coming from Thailand. They are not taxing your profits in crypto. So we have to move to Thailand now. This was already the case, but they decided to keep on not taxing your benefits there. So awesome. Maybe Thailand, a nice place to live and have your crypto not stolen from your government. You want more information about this? I leave you the link in the description below. At the same time, in Spain, well, we have the regulator that wants more and more power in order to seize your cryptocurrencies when needed. Coin tracking is the way to accomplish your legal obligations in Spain and all over the world. Mostly, you have the link in the description below with a 10% discount. Use it now. And if you want to know more information about what I just said, just go to ClCrypto and ask Jesus Lorente. He will tell you there everything about taxes in Spain and other parts of the world. Also about our partner DexTools.io, they have an awesome piece of information today. They join a monster out there, OKX Ventures and OKX Exchange. You have a link in the description below. And now they are going to help each other. So very interesting here. You're going to have on DexTools.io an aggregator with information from OKX and vice versa. So really, really nice and congratulations. Very, very tough stuff for DexTools. This is a huge thing that they accomplished. Congratulations. Link in the description below. If you don't know about this, this is the tool that you need for the DeFi ecosystem, of course. So if you want to know about Ethereum, use dexters.io, and I'm telling you right now that Ethereum, of course, is going up, and it broke some important points here and there. We watch about that. Now that we know that March the 13th is when Dencun is going to be on Ethereum, that privacy upgrade we told you in previous videos. Also, maybe good things for Ethereum ETFs approval in United States. ARC21 shares is changing into in cash, so similar to Bitcoin, in order to be approved. And also now we know that more than 25% of all the supply on Ethereum is staked, which is good for not having sell pressure. And now for you, more promos, some Valentine's promos, Valentine's Day, and you might have a nice dinner. You might win 500 USDTs. I just participated on it. You have to say something with those hashtags, retweeting this. I leave you this in the description below so you can retweet it and participate with those hashtags. You need to have a card on Bybit, and I leave you the link in the description below to do that first and then participate. Thank you very much. I have something from that too, so thank you. So I'm going to tell you all about the Chinese Year promotions and Valentine's Day promotions on next shows. Remember, you had till today for this HODL contest with Bybit. And now we are going to have another one. It's not open yet, but I went to my cell phone and there I found with my app, with the card of Bybit, that we are going to have this one. Wish upon a Bitcoin. What would you do if you have one Bitcoin? That's what you have to say in a good picture and follow social media. And then you have to submit your picture and you might win a lot of interesting prizes. This $1,000 prize. Awesome. Remember that with Treasury, you have now the promo, link in the description below, to have one of these gloves, Valentine's gloves, in the red or in the pink. So take that opportunity right now. This is a 20% save that you have. Also, remember that you have a discount on the Model 1 and the Model T forever. And if you use Coinbase, well, do not be scared if you don't see there your BSV. They turn it into USDC. So for you to know. And some homework today, go to X and watch the interview they had there to Vladimir Putin. It's a 2 hours interview. There, Russian President Vladimir Putin explained that the US dollar is the main weapon used by the United States to preserve its power across the world. Well, maybe Putin understands Bitcoin. Interesting to see those interviews now on X. Elon Musk is retweeting about it like crazy. And remember that Russia is the second largest Bitcoin miner in the world. And more homework, go to Audible, link in the description below, and listen to some audiobooks. Right now, I'm focusing again this year in reducing how much alcohol I do drink. So I found this Naked Mind. This book is awesome, and you can buy it for Audible, link in the description below, or you can buy it for the book, the regular book, and you will help us. Remember that if you use Audible, well, you don't have to pay for 30 days, and maybe you will learn to control, as myself, some of your addictions. Maybe you don't have, or you think you don't have, a problem controlling the beers that you have. You just drink the ones you want, it's okay. But maybe you are addicted to other things, like a woman, a man, or sex itself, or maybe to sugar, tobacco, who knows. So this book is going to help you with all of that. And if you don't believe this is an important thing, well, you can see this guy and how crazy this guy is about sugar. Is like, what is this sugar? I can't believe it. Be careful out there with all those addictions, even Bitcoin addiction. And now you can see this cat crazy about all the cool stuff we saw today. What's going on? What is all this? Well, we need to learn little by little, right? Yes, little by little, we will make it to the bull market. Hopefully so. Do not be scared or if you are just hug someone here in our community, you are welcome of coming us to us and hugging us. And do not close your eyes to this reality. You need to understand, and do not drive too crazy like this guy. Yes, well, I'm under control. No problem. You think so, but we'll see. And what about obsession with AI? Here, this guy that wants the Apple Vision Pro glasses and is trying to use them while skiing. Awesome stuff that you need to learn about in our last video. Watch all our videos in AI news. Link in the description below. Thank you very much. And if you want to learn more about crypto, then watch one of these two videos. And we are already researching for the next Crypto News with Rodrigo, Arnedo. Health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!